Well, it's been a few weeks, but we've had a lot of exciting stuff going on today. We've got the very large forklift over here for raising walls. We got a portion of a wall raised, and we have a bunch of walls under construction here on the ground. So they have been busy today. But like I said, it's been a while, so we're glad to see the framers are here. So we have the side wall under construction, the back wall under construction, and then the other end wall on construction, which is a balloon wall. So it took a little extra work to get that done right because we didn't have the right materials. So they're still working on getting the materials for that balloon wall. But today was an exciting day.